Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu mana ihe na-akpọtụ na social media kemgbe bụ na Ogechi si na ọ na-erelease video na Jpac na Ifeanyi Ubah na Akwa allegedly na ha na-eme gịnị Akwa. So as time goes on, she was saying it based on, she's becoming bold in saying it. So on a video Ogechi mentioned play alone na kuno no. And in her speech, and she challenged Jpac, saying, "Isina, Akwa ibehogamu no tele. Gepota, kopota doctor, yakago apotanki, keje megi test. Kamana Akwa ibehogamu no tele. Then, emecha gi test, the test gosi no nwere ihe dị gị na-arụ, onwe bi ihe bago gị na hotel. No akwa gị any damage so bụ na ịchọ. Mana ọ bụrụkwa na o nwere na ya akwa damage si bụ na o claim. So na ndị ba okwu atara akpụrụ gada. Okwu atara ezigbote gịnị akpụrụ gada n'ụdị na gịnị me. Ị na-ajụzi ndị mmadụ sị gịnị na-eme na our society today. Enwere ihe ngwa ndị mmadụ. In burying your past, bury your past, avoid people with shovel. Avoid people with shovel, and always in what you do, try and make it and be at peace with all men, makada and mama. Because Ogechi no Jpac ogwalia. Jpac no ogwalia, because how will she now come out and be saying something against Ifeanyi Ubah? Late Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. How? And she claims she has evidences. So because ndeba une choro mi bu na oge. Kabana aru na this video mpom post kita. Une nechazia walezia na akuno. Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share and also subscribe to this channel. Kodeno.
N'oge na Akwa na ihe gbasakwara Ifeanyi Ubah that I should not bring guilty na this matter. Joan, why didn't he call Ifeanyi Ubah that very day? At that second arrest. Why Akwa? Yeah, this simple question can you to Joan Jpac. Did you tell Ogechi that ike ija akpohuma na amanye ga amu n'ike na obula gi ikwuru ya ko igwa home? Did I just amam na Ifeanyi Ubah gi na ede na mma like that? Amamu ihe jikoro gi na ya? Was I there? Esomugi anomedia. You vividly told me mbaboro Bishop Opiki call. Anya bo meti another person that yana Bishop 5 and 6. Anya boy ya should have Bishop ano yana driver na bele fodu Bishop ana haga. E what go? Anya try ya Bishop imekwa ga akpo back from nga by then enye go give phone ugi. But then they gave you your phone. Listen up, because animal like ana ebu mmadu ga know the full side of the story. I'm not afraid that in the I will not answer. But I kogara what brought Ifeanyi Ubah in that conversation. Ashakodo and Udo. Jpac vividly opened his mouth to Shemu. I will repeat it over and over and over again. Ifeanyi Ubah mma wulo ya for help. Yaru mi Ifeanyi Ubah na edi na nwoke Ogechi adara. Yaru mi Ifeanyi Ubah on organize help ya shigi bendia amam. Mbahuka Ojiri mem Kim, she do you minute yashim. Na gidi mene ya chohe boya. Now why didn't he want to call him? Because ni ka bulaya. Every time I share bendi ya ke etinye ya munike ni ka de ya little favor madu ge meregi oge boost cho ge megi before. So June yande na bari shi Ogechi na mchoni Ifeanyi Ubah. He fucking told me when he's in his critical time. Amba ko shiri adapu ya n'onu anyi na ya no na mgbe ndị police nyere ya phone o nwere few minutes mgbe ko ihe niile shi ya n'onu ji na apụta. For those of you guys Ogechi na mekwu arụ ana mekwu arụ onye agwara m ka m kwuru ana mekwu arụ ana m nga ihe bend ya onye gwara m ka m kwuru. So how you guys saying na m kwuru arụ? How im jiri kwuo arụ na mmadụ gwara m ihe shim na ike mkpọhi m otula abụla ya. Na mboni na Ifeanyi ihe oga narela Junior, why didn't Ifeanyi Ubah release him that time? Ebo wu ya Ifeanyi azai. Gini meno osa hunya that particular day. Gini meno, for those of you that Ogechi, Egolare, that Jonu Jpac. No, but no, this kind of conversation with me or no. Or we have petty video. That is not the bone of contention. Sheno yao na gini mere lekwa point unu ga na aju ya. Na gini mere that very day all lose hope of contacting everybody at that critical time. Na gini mere point Ifeanyi Ubah na we akpo ebe ọ na-eshi ebe ya na Ifeanyi Ubah na-enwe conversation. But that day conversation Ifeanyi Ubah could not go through. Unu ị ga-awogbu ndị ga-awogbu. Owo mu na gị no ga-agwa m ihe gwara m that I was shivering. I was shivering and Ashim recorded again. Is his word against my works? Ishim okay. I'm not crazy. Oh, no, get jiziru no go on your Ifeanyi Ubah na rani kemona hana. No, man. No. Now una sabi because I know sabi. So ina ajomo ma record me and when me shim record ora gi hese vurogi. I'm not atuare. Oh, sunu ga juzi Jpac. Uburo leka Ifeanyi Ubah na rani ike. You want to go? So, iya na agbagari here. Na agbagari na eke ka hu gbasara unu. Agbala m go onye gwara m ihe o gwara m. Now, that day, it was everybody. Then I had to call Akwa. I had to reach Akwa because I could go busy. Na me here solo Peters ya. I had to call Akwa. Lekwa o na Jpac watch lekwa ihe o kwuru no she no chọ him own so person. Don't like for my shower, you get out. You went to talk, I get out. You want to go? So, now what channel so Mbanka kujuri me na zone 2. Na zone 2 Lagos. Ako had to put up a call. Ako Zion had to put up a call. That was how, not only a call, Ako had to send the money for belling. Ako had to bring his own money when Ogwaramu dati na ya chonwu nke Ifeanyi Ubah ga-emecha akpọ ya n'ụlọ I want you to come and meet me now. Ka mkpọ him otula ka na mama amu n'ike amu agwụla ya n'ihe ya gbaga na wisatụlụ town. Go and ask him. So abali na pamiki Ogechi no, it's not me. Jpac gwara m n'ike ibende ana akpọ ya amu n'ike agwụla ya. So whether you like it or you want to cry, call him that name. And the Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge. Jpac, I got what a doctor, give what a doctor. Can you ginike? Ya uroma, and we bamu panaginike before. Jpac, I will pay you any damages you can quote. But all na hamu panaginike. Jpac, I got any amount. Can you make a kibabi? What a doctor, give what a kim. Come on, a dog ginike shige. After examining you and the doctor prove that Ikegika will virgin, Jpac, I will pay you any damages or lecturer. Ya kwano me enyo change, ya wuru me jili kegimene ngana woko so. Jpac, then you will pay me. How about that? Jpac, make it happen. I will call my doctor in Nigeria now. Gabota nkegi. Enyo chao tulage. Ya wuru me mbebe. Amu paraginike. Jpac, I will pay you damages. Did you hear what I said? For those of you, I'll prepare this one. Because I have challenged you, Jpac. Weputo tulage. Mabota my doctor. Kaga legi. Gabota nkege lekuogi. Ke wete the results. Kihu ba okrobo. Kamara me wena dozens of spam konoga for. Kamara me mena dozens of miriamu konoga get that your big stomach. If not, can poor get damages ko ekwomo. How about that? Can this problem solve? How about this simple challenge? Now, when it comes to Chinedu Nwadike, Jpac opened the mouth and told me, may his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chinedu Nwadike. I was not at Chinedu Nwadike's present. Jpac told me, na Chinedu Nwadike buori obiri na ajo chan. Na Chinedu Nwadike bu ekezi nke oboro shina wo syphilis. na Chinedu Nwadike no tule emecha na eshi mmiri na even that day Ifeanyi Ubah bịara na ndị nọọsụ kemakwa no mentio quote by Jpac na ndị nọọsụ gbaga daddy na etesiri onye positive na because rumor bịa gawa according to Jpac na rumor bịa gawa ana ekwu na Ifeanyi na edina ọkwa Jpac na korobo anything I say quote to me na ihe m gwara gị na Ifeanyi Ubah na edina onya so Oshi one of the nurses say pull o Ifeanyi Ubah by the side she oga can we do audio brinajo test for you Ifeanyi Ubah don't worry you don't worry na urubeke like that ị gwara m ya ka ị gwahụ m ya mgbe ị pụtara Chinedu Nwadike na-agba ya wish na na-agba onye nwụrụ ịgbala my father war gba Chinedu Nwadike war so all these things you are clamoring and saying yeah kwejela agụ mgbada abịa ya ogba mgbe agụ dị ndụ ka ị gwara m mgbe ejiji n'ọnụ oyi ka ị gwara m shi na gị ike mkpọgwụ otulu agwụla gị. You feel me? So all these things now that's not me. He told me. He particular anyway or I will stand my feet and keep saying what I'm saying with no shaking. Jpac get challenge. Go and do that challenge. Simple as ABC. And you must follow the command. You can follow ya. Now, na Chinedu Nwadike bu ọrịa. So ashina no law Chinedu no law Ifeanyi Ubah ka Chinedu bi ebi no way jibo. In fact, no jiri ya mere gia friend ya. Now you told me. And I'm there. Some giga. I'm Chinedu Nwadike obuari obiri na aja chom obi hu. I'm na Chinedu Nwadike obi syphilis mo biro. Are you not the one that's telling me all this? You want to go? So maybe all Jonah Tuzigi, it just ain't according to you. It just ain't like so now you sabi. So all these people in my father's picture, Kahajina Abaya war, in Agwana Kahambatrage war, J-Pipe, you are talking rubbish. So those of you that want to be carrying all those fake, I get check bar, how newi, Major London newi have one. If I offend any Newi man or any Newi women, I wasn't the person that said it. The reason why Ojo Ifeanyi Ubah jipo wako. Akujiri oga undoga. Ejiri nye onya belo that very day. The same Ifeanyi Ubah contact yo. On I sent a message on a June yesterday. At that very day. Now share no video. You know why I'm telling you to share this video? Because tomorrow somebody will not come up and make up story. Jpac where Beleface he told me that if I know any favor lawyer or entarayanwa. No na share ohumo tulelu. And the Nikaya Namuno that should know that should I will call Bishop Ozobor. Bishop was busy. We called Akwa on a line. I was there. Akwa not there. Bishop was busy. Bishop could not reach out. Bishop or travel somewhere. They could not reach his local line. So you coming yesterday not for Kuru Kampo Bishop. Never you add that man. Bishop wogaranya na atu Chineke egwu. Ino talo okuchi ishigi buru ya. You know okay doctor anaka mo no they call anybody to help you. Bishop Ozubru wogaranya na atu chukwu egwu. A man na Jesus na aputa like this na egoshi onwe ya na eji oji. You want to go? Oh somebody na etu egwu Chineke. No, they tag Bishop Ozubru in your mess. I never mention only poromo baramu kam na bage. Bishop Ozubru esusu. He's a man that so anything that has to do with God, Bishop Aneji egwu. So never you ever this hanky panky video you made yesterday, and you keep saying, "Oh for obere, keep up Bishop." Shut up! Don't mention that holy man. Bishop offering Chineke if I say God. He's a clean man. He's not useless. He's a man it did some. So in a make all this your sympathy war group. Do not include that man. Bishop the Sam, or the clean, or what garanya nwere opu Chineke. So no they cap, no they bring rubbish. Okay? Ima, a man, ono na ya kwuru bia, that was the person I'm referring to, Jpac. Ima nke na aragi, ima that mona people the na madia. You know, nga na aragi ka etinyere ga na eme yashim na no na Ogechi. Inane Awu Bishop Ozubru is somebody that want to connect you to Bishop Mkime MC. You know the man. Tell people the truth. Stop mentioning Bishop name. Bishop has nothing to do with this. Bishop has no freaking nothing to do with. Stop mentioning him. The man they want to contract you to ndo dogu or humere go tula. Got it? That was the sound of Mbana Ogeniko Hipuru. So don't you ever add that innocent holy man. Bishop Garayana to Chineke Ogbu. Osohune Maro. Osohune Susu. Don't bring anybody into your mess monage no monage. In what I go? Mess monage no monage. No, they use anybody to come. That Frank they keep up is a lie. Emonyana age blue and black. That very moment, Jpac. Jpac, this manya go and return it, or I'm coming with a brutal stone. Let me block that idiot. Who is it? Okay, all the car I block go. What I go? So all these things in our bus, people like, and I'm not nay. Then which Oge Ogechi. So if you can answer by then I am by give any simple challenge. I got your doctor, map or my doctor. I got legi kegi. If there is any ammo that is penetrating there, by then I that one. I want me away. Okay, I'm ready to pay you. In Nigeria, Jpac, no worry. You go see me. You go see me. In a woman in those are shower, in a war. In a drag people, in a put the first okay, she put the first information yesterday. Now that did you suspend the accusayon. Now that did you suspend the accusayon. Where and how? This is how you tarnish people's image. You know yesterday put that did you suspend the accusayon. How, when, where? I could not somewhere now know that you I be the period. Now on 24/7. This shit. Now that is suspended. Ya bekola Zion. That they suspend the bendege na Zion. Na people hate me. How turn out to original people. Ya wuru akuzayon. And I suspend the ozuno shin Zion. Can I suspend the oburu madu? Can I suspend the obohumaro tula? Bija obohumana na ginike. Tell me the reason I get just suspend that. This is just to damage other people's reputation. Because see my comment here. Nde Zion apota. Hey, habia. Nde Zion. You want to go? Be very careful with that man. Every time Ghana 100 days. Now, until the day you mention Ebukobi, that day Kega won't come. Guinea Susukwala. Ne Queen Director kwa. Igaraka. In the church, ne go. That was how problem started. Onyoshi.